Hey everyone, welcome back. If Face ID or fingerprint login is not working in the BMO app, follow these steps. First, confirm the biometric login is enabled inside the BMO app settings. Next, go to your phone settings and search for Face ID and password and make sure fingerprint access or Face ID access is turned on for the BMO app as well. Then, clean your camera or fingerprint sensor, then try again. If it still fails, disable biometric login in the app. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, then reopen it after waiting a few seconds and re-enable the feature. Restart your phone and test the Face ID or fingerprint login again. This usually fixes biometric authentication issues, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick